Hello dear friends, today 29 September 2022. My name is Sergey Khodachenko. Today we replacement electronics twin win 2 and tornado gold metal cotton candy machine. I show how this make and show drawings. Look, we change all electronics before this electronics. This is trash. Very old electronics, look, very old and not good for work, like new. Before this is twin wing 2 and this tornado, but now twin wing 2 working like tornado, have monocolor working head. How connection? We also change this panel, start stop, regulator, heater logo, and this switch on, switch off, like that. But we don't have now, we wait now connection without this. Okay, we have this drawing, this heater connection. Original tornado have 4, but 2, this is not true, working only 2. Connection like this, cable must be tight. This is important because if not tight, touch heaters and short cycle. And this motor inside, this power regulator heaters, look, power regulator heaters, very good quality, never I listen broken. And this regulator, this and this connector. In original connector, every time broken. Look, this connector every time broken. But if we use this connector, we use this, never broken. With this working, this is give signal, and this switch on or switch off, and this ventilator, stop start, this light logo, and this switch on, switch off, like that. But we don't have now, we wait. And ready. We also change rings for gold wing 2 because change shaft. Look other video before I download on YouTube. Okay, see you again. If you want what we help you with working head for your cotton candy machine, gold medal company, tornado or twin wing or super floss, what you want. We sell for you this working head, very good working, really self clean. Look next video, I tell why our working head better than original. Okay, see you again, bye bye. If for you need contact, my WhatsApp under this video. Write me, bye bye.